Hi. Okay, before we get started cooking, we want to thank our subscriber, Marie, for sending us this wonderful recipe. It's a 20-minute homemade bread made in a cast iron pan, and it only takes about 30 minutes all around to mix it up, cook it, and be ready to eat it. So thanks again, Marie. Now, let's go to the kitchen and cook. Follow me.
Hey folks, welcome back to In the Kitchen with Word and Linda. And today we got a new recipe that one of our followers sent us, and we're going to try it out. We're going to go strictly by the book. It's called 20-minute homemade bread. And the ingredients are 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
We're going to dump it in as we go. It's all purpose now.
And Linda's going to do the swish. And we got 1 tablespoon of sugar.
Tablespoon. Okay.
And then 1 tablespoon of baking powder.
This is baking powder, not baking soda.
Right.
Baking powder.
Then 1 teaspoon of salt. One cup of milk.
Okay, I need to stir that first.
Okay.
Okay, hold on. You keep talking. Keep talking. I put my microphone on today.
As one of the YouTube people said, we're going to steer it now. Well, we're going to stir it. I'm sorry. I'm not poking fun. I'm just reiterating what somebody says out there. But here we do call it stir. We're going to stir the boat.
Okay. That's the milk, the cup of milk. Okay, what else you got?
Then the 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and that's it.
That's that. And I'm spilling it as I go.
It's on the counter, but we'll just get past that. We'll get that off later.
Okay, you stir it while I get that up.
I knew I would get to work. I get to do a little bit, folks.
Okay, now today we're using a black iron skillet. So we're going to make it look like artisan bread, but I have already oiled the pan, and the oven is set on 425, and we're going to cook this bread for about, 30 minutes? I think it is.
Well, 20 minutes it says
20,
on here.
Okay, 20 minutes. And then we're going to watch it rise, and crossing our fingers, it's going to be good. We hear rave reviews about it, so we hope.
Okay, you can get that out.
Okay, if you put that back in the fridge.
Sure.
I put the milk up. Okay, it says to take it out and knead it for 1 minute. So we're going to see how that's going to work out.
Knead it.
Bert, if you will give me a mat, we're going to put a little bit of flour on it, and we're going to knead it just a minute. It's a little bit too sticky to use like it is right now.
I was looking for a spatula that you could clean it out with.
Okay.
I think you're going to need a spatula
And
to clean that
if you,
once we get it out.
yeah,
I'll get the mat.
okay.
We're going to use a red mat so everybody can see it.
Okay, let's put a little bit of powder down, a little bit of flour down, just because it's sticky right now. I like messing with dough. I like it. It's almost.
Hey, she likes it, but watch who winds up doing it.
Have you got flour in your fingers yet?
No.
You gotta put some flour on it.
I thought you were going to do it.
I hope everybody can hear me today. I know we made a video yesterday, and I had several people say, I can't hear you. And it's like, uh-oh, I forgot to put that microphone on. So we're going to Walmart Friday, and I'm going to look for a new microphone because I really don't think this one picks up as well as it should. Okay.
Okay, you need to put more flour.
Yeah.
I need more flour over here.
Okay. All right. It says to knead it for 1 minute. You might not put it in the right spot.
I can't even knead it at all because
Okay.
it's too sticky.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. All right.
This is a first shot, girl, so this is a work in progress now. Man,
It's not good with sticky.
Nobody's good with sticky,
Look,
folks.
you gotta pull it in and turn it. Pull it in and turn it. You pat it. We could make biscuits right now. Now look at it. Okay. All right. Whew. You don't have to.
I did not do no.
He's throwing flour everywhere. Okay. That's
She's
good.
all right.
That's a minute, right, people? That's a minute. Okay, stick it right there. Put it in that pan.
Okay.
Okay.
What about all this excess?
That's on you.
Totally. It's
Okay.
everywhere.
Okay. All right. So now, if you will, well, you can't. We'll put it in our oven, 425 for 20 minutes, and let's see how it looks.
I'm gonna wash my hands, guys,
Me too.
and we'll be back soon with the results.
Okay, Bert, you want to cut us a piece and let's try it?
I'm just gonna cut one off the edge.
I don't get a bigger piece than that.
No,
Well, darn.
I just want to test it. I want to taste it. I don't want to eat the whole thing, dear.
Okay.
Don't you burn your hands.
Okay, that's what it looks like inside.
Okay, that's your piece.
Okay, let's put a
Okay.
little butter on it. Here, use this thing before you get burnt. Okay, we've got butter here, and we've got, oh gosh, the knife is so hot. We got butter, and then we got,
This is butter.
Yeah.
Kerrygold Irish butter.
Whew. I tell you what, that puppy's hot.
Okay, we may have
Give
to
it just a second.
we may have to wait a second to be chewing on this because she says it's extremely hot.
It is very hot.
Just take a bite and I'll take it. I'm limiting how much she eats. I'm just giving her a little bit.
This is good. This is good. That'd be great for a bowl of pinto beans. Not bad. If you go to the grocery store and can't find bread, get you some flour and make this. Remember, it's all-purpose flour.
It's good bread, and I really think you probably could take this and you probably could make biscuits out of it just as well as making just a big loaf.
Yeah. Not bad at all. Let me try your Kerrygold. Here, you try it. So, that's the video of today. I hope y'all having a good day.
It's a beautiful day here, and it's in the 80s, and the sun is out, and we're just loving this weather. Just be happier when the pollen does go away finally. It's pretty yellow around here.
Yeah, we got a black corn. It looks like it's yellow, green, rough. Anyway, you got anything else you want to say? We're ready to close it out.
Well, just remember, God loves you. So do we. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and thumbs up our video. And we hope to see you soon. And y'all take care.
Bye. Until the next one.